Our journey begins in the mango orchards, where hard-working farmers carefully harvest the fresh fruit that will soon enter a modern processing factory. The freshly harvested mangoes are carefully picked one by one, keeping the fruit in excellent condition before it begins its journey to the factory.
As the harvest continues, baskets quickly fill with fresh mangoes, ready for collection and transport. Once the baskets are full, the freshly harvested mangoes are gathered together and prepared for their journey from the orchard. The harvested mangoes are carefully loaded into the farm truck, where they will begin their journey toward the processing facility.
With the harvest safely loaded, the truck leaves the orchard and begins the journey toward the modern mango processing factory.
Leaving the orchards behind, the freshly harvested mangoes begin their journey toward the modern processing facility. After traveling from the mango orchards, the harvest finally approaches the modern factory, where the transformation begins.
The mangoes have finally reached the factory, where a fast-moving production team is ready to begin the processing journey. Deep inside this modern factory, thousands of fresh mangoes begin their journey from freshly harvested fruit to finished products. Every production cycle begins with carefully selected mangoes arriving at the factory for processing. Before processing begins, every batch of mangoes is carefully handled to preserve its freshness and quality. Now the mangoes enter the first inspection line, where speed and precision are essential.
Trained workers quickly examine the fruit, removing damaged mangoes before they enter the automated processing system.
Advanced optical sensors now scan every mango, analyzing its size, color, and visible surface quality in fractions of a second. Within seconds, automated sorting systems separate the mangoes into precise production categories.
Once sorted, the mangoes are transferred directly to the washing department for thorough cleaning. Powerful water jets and rotating brushes thoroughly clean the mangoes, removing dirt and surface impurities.
After the initial wash, a final clean water rinse prepares the mangoes for precision processing.
Freshly cleaned and inspected, the mangoes are now ready to enter the preparation stage. Freshly cleaned and inspected, the mangoes are now ready to enter the preparation stage.
Before cutting, precision guides carefully align every mango to ensure consistent processing.
With every mango precisely aligned, synchronized blades quickly separate the fruit into perfectly prepared pieces. The freshly cut mango pieces now move directly toward the pulping stage, where the fruit will be transformed into smooth mango puree. Inside the pulping machine, the soft mango flesh is separated and transformed into a rich, smooth, golden puree. The freshly produced mango puree travels through sealed food-grade pipelines toward the next stage of processing. Inside these temperature-controlled tanks, the mango puree is carefully processed under precisely monitored conditions.
The puree is continuously mixed to create a smooth, uniform texture throughout the entire batch.
With multiple processing tanks operating together, the factory can transform enormous quantities of mangoes into finished puree every hour.
With multiple processing tanks operating together, the factory can transform enormous quantities of mangoes into finished puree every hour.
Automated valves precisely control the flow, keeping every stage of the production process perfectly synchronized. The puree passes through a high-speed homogenizer, creating the smooth and consistent texture expected from premium mango products. After homogenization, the mango puree becomes exceptionally smooth, creating a consistent base for the final product. After homogenization, the mango puree becomes exceptionally smooth, creating a consistent base for the final product. The laboratory team checks key quality measurements before the mango puree is approved for the next production stage. The laboratory team checks key quality measurements before the mango puree is approved for the next production stage. The laboratory team checks key quality measurements before the mango puree is approved for the next production stage. Precise temperature control helps prepare the mango puree, while maintaining its consistent quality and smooth texture. After controlled treatment, the smooth mango puree moves into a sealed holding tank, ready for the filling process. At the filling station, precise automated nozzles rapidly portion the smooth mango product into each container. Immediately after filling, every container is precisely sealed to protect the mango product during storage and transport. Every sealed container passes through another automated inspection to ensure the fill level and seal meet strict quality standards. After inspection, each sealed container receives its label as the high-speed packaging line continues without interruption.
After inspection, each sealed container receives its label as the high-speed packaging line continues without interruption.
After inspection, each sealed container receives its label as the high-speed packaging line continues without interruption.
The filled cartons are automatically sealed, protecting the finished mango products for storage and transportation.
Sealed cartons are then stacked automatically onto pallets, preparing the finished mango products for the warehouse. The finished mango products now enter the warehouse, where every pallet is organized and prepared for shipment. Inside the warehouse, every shipment is scanned, organized, and tracked before it leaves the factory. Once orders are confirmed, the finished mango products are transferred from storage toward the factory's shipping area. At the loading dock, finished pallets are quickly transferred into transport trucks for delivery. The final pallets are loaded into temperature-controlled trucks, ready to begin their journey to customers and retailers. With the shipment secured, the finished mango products leave the factory and begin their journey to markets and customers. After traveling from the distribution center, the delivery truck finally arrives at the supermarket, where the finished mango products are ready to be unloaded. At the supermarket loading bay, workers quickly unload the finished mango juice and move it inside for stocking. Once inside the store, the cartons are opened and the mango juice is transferred to a trolley for shelf stocking. The mango juice now reaches the beverage aisle, where workers prepare the shelves for the final display. Working quickly, the store employees place each bottle onto the shelf and create a clean, perfectly organized mango juice display.
Within moments, the shelf is fully stocked, with every bottle neatly aligned and ready for customers.
With the final adjustments complete, the finished mango juice is now perfectly displayed and ready for shoppers.
Now the journey is complete, as the finished mango juice reaches the hands of its first customer.
From a carefully processed mango to a finished product, every step has brought this juice closer to the customer. After the long journey from the factory, the mango juice is finally ready for purchase. And after its incredible journey through the factory, warehouse, truck, and supermarket, the mango juice finally reaches its destination.
For more amazing factory videos, subscribe to Factory Work Official.